Hey everyone, you are welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to design this amazing smartwatch flyer you are seeing on my screen here. So before we begin, if this is your first time watching this video or your first time on our channel, kindly like and subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever we drop amazing designs like this. So let's begin. So I'll delete the current one on my screen here so that we begin with the next design. So the first thing we're doing here is to import our background. So I'll go to import and I'll get my background nicely. Then I'll lock it up there. So the next thing is that I'll get my shape. So I'll go to shapes and then click on the arrow next to the down here. There's an arrow next to the square. Click on that and get your circle. Now if you get your circle, you increase the size and then put it here. Nicely. Alright, then don't forget to lock it. Now the next thing to do is that we will go and bring our watch. So you go to import down here, you can see import, click on that, click on your watch and then bring it here. So you reduce the size a bit and then place it in the middle. You go to relative position down here, click on this and then get it to be in the middle. Alright, so after that you scroll to shadow, then you enable your shadow nicely. After that you go to your layer panel up here, then you lock it so that it doesn't distract you when you are designing. Now the next thing is that you go to import again. We'll import this okay, so you change the color to white, reduce the size and then place it here nicely like that. And you go back to your layer panel and then lock it. So when you're done with this, the next thing you do is to go to import again, get your logo by logo like this nicely. Okay, so now I'll place it here, then I'll go to shapes, choose a circle and give the circle a black color. So after that I'll come back to and reduce it a bit. After that I'll come back to this shape and then you can see to front here. So you click on that and it gets to the front. Now you place it on the black circle nicely. You can see that the color has changed. Now after that you click on your layer panel up there and then click here and select the first two, which is the logo and the circle. After that you click back here. In the other video I taught you how to merge, so apply that one like this and then position it there nicely. Great. So the next thing is that we are going to add a text. So let's add a text here. Get in touch. So we'll give it a black color. And then go to fonts and give it amaranth bold, this one here, to color. And then when you get to color, you scroll up a bit and you can see we have this get in touch here. So we are going to move it to just the touch and then change the color to red, and then you click on that, bring it down here nicely and reduce the size. So after that, you copy it again and then change it to your telephone number. Right, so you go back to color and then give it a red color, and you bring it down here nicely and make sure they are in line. You can use your braid line button to check the alignment. So let's get our core icon. So you go to import and then core icon. Here. So this is our core icon here. So reduce the size and change the color to white nicely. Now put it here and then go to shapes, get a circle and then give the circle a red color. Click on this red color. So go back to this core icon and then click on to front and position it in the middle of the shape. And now go back to merge it, as I taught you earlier how to merge nicely. Reduce the size and bring it down here. Alright, and then lock it. So from here you go back to shapes again, choose this your square and you give it a radius. So this is it here. So you give it a color, a red color, then you move it to that side a bit. So after that you copy this, get in touch, you copy that and then make it shop now, edit it to shop now, and then you change the color to white. Okay, so you put it here inside the shape there. Right, so now you click on that text again, copy it and then change the text to big brand. and then bring it here nicely. Put it beside the logo nicely. Now you add the text again, and then you make it at bigbrand.com. I'm going to give it a black color, and then you give it a font. Kenton etc. This one. We use it and then bring it and check if they are in line. Alright, so now the next thing is that you go to import and you get this image here. Give it a white color. So let me get this done well. I'll go to crop and then I'll make sure the arrow doesn't show. So I'll rotate it this way, and I'll go to 3D rotate, and then do it like this on the other side. So I'll reduce it. Then I'll lock that. So I'll now go to shapes, get a circle, white circle, and then I'll reduce the opacity to 31. Then I'll copy it again. I'll go back to opacity, make it 57, and I'll reduce the size and then put it in the other one. After that, I'll copy this one to go back to opacity, increase it to 87. So let's just make this one go here, right? Then I'll merge them as I taught earlier how to merge. So I'm merging, you copy, get in touch again, and then change it to, you are going to give it a text, so 30% off. So the color is red color. Put it here nicely. Then you make sure you merge it again, right? So after that, you reduce the size and then you bring it here. Alright, so now the last thing to do is you go back to text again, and then exclusive. So you go to your font and then get a nice font here. So Alex brush regular, and then you go to B bold and then make it bold. Right. You come back to text again, and then write smart watch. So you go to font and get any nice font here. Okay, so I'll use this one after the poster. So this one, I'll put it here nicely. I'll make sure it's in the middle, same as this. Then I'll bring it down a bit. So guys, let me take this one up a bit. Right, so guys, that is how to design this amazing flyer. So the link to the resources will be left in the description. Alright, so make sure you do that. This video was brought to you by Carbon Graphic Academy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever we drop amazing designs like this. See you in our next video tutorial.